Hey folks, today we're diving into the brand new Red Magic 10 Air, a gaming phone that's all about sleek style, insane speed, and surprisingly solid value. This one ditches the cooling fan, trims the weight, and still brings Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performance with ultra-fast 80W charging. It's slim at just 7.85mm, and the AG frosted glass back gives it a clean, premium vibe. No punch hole? Yup, a true full-screen 6.8. AMOLED display with under-display camera and 120Hz refresh rate. Perfect for immersive gaming and binge watching. And yes, we still get dual shoulder triggers, a new Magic Touch feature for ultra-fast response, and even a customizable RGB ring on the back for that extra flair. Gaming buttons are now on the side, and though the headphone jack is gone, we still get dual stereo speakers, a solid haptic motor, and a surprisingly good 50MP camera setup. So the big question, is this air-cooled beast the next budget-friendly gaming king? Stick around. More tests coming soon. Don't forget to like, sub, and hit that bell if you want to see how it performs in the real world.